Yo, what's up, legends? Welcome back to the Top 5 Trey. Today we're talking about a beast I've been using for an entire year, the Lenovo Legion Go. Remember, all the products featured in this video will be linked down in the description below, so be sure to scroll down and check it out if you're interested. This handheld gaming monster has been my sidekick for months, and it's finally time to spill all the tea. What I love, what's been meh, the issues I ran into, and how I've been rocking it with a dual boot setup. Windows plus BASI, the SteamOS style OS that gives it that console-like feel. Don't miss out. Hit that link in the description and grab your own Legion Go today. On paper, this thing is the ultimate handheld dream. Huge screen, mind-blowing specs, 2K resolution, 144Hz refresh rate, and detachable controllers. Oh yeah, we're diving into all of it. Just like the Nintendo Switch, the Legion Go has every control option you could dream of. You've got 4 back buttons, a responsive touchscreen, a touchpad, and get this, one crazy feature, it's called FPS mode. And guess what? It lets you use the right controller as a mouse. Sounds wild, right? It's super cool, but also kinda questionable. More on that in a sec. And unlike some other handhelds, you know who I'm talking about, Asus ROG Ally. The Legion Go doesn't have that dreaded SD card slot problem. It's been smooth sailing from day one. Now let's talk about something I really appreciate. It comes with a sleek carrying case, perfect for gaming on the go. The console fits snugly inside. It's a tight fit, but hey, it works. Plus, it comes with a little base stand that lets you transform one of the controllers into a joystick. How clever is that? Oh, and it ships with its own power adapter. Nice touch, right? And that almost 9-inch display, it's an absolute monster. It makes other handhelds look like they belong in a toy box. Surprise, surprise. The Legion Go is lighter than it looks. When I first saw it, I thought my arms would be toast after an hour of gaming, but nope. At only 850 grams, it's super manageable for those long gaming sessions. No bicep breakdown here. And if you want to hook it up to your TV or just chill on the couch, you're set. The detachable controllers are perfect for multiplayer, so grab a buddy and get going. But let's talk about that FPS mode. It sounds great in theory, turning the right controller into a mouse. But here's the kicker. If you're left-handed, you're out of luck. And even for righties, it's not exactly seamless. The button layout is weird, the scroll wheel's awkward, and most games need manual tweaking. Plus, if you're into multiplayer games, you're gonna need a real keyboard and mouse anyway. So honestly, after a few tries, I went back to my classic setup. No shame, don't just sit there. Now, color options? Yeah, there's only one, basic black. But hey, RGB to the rescue. You get customizable LED rings around the thumbsticks, a few lighting effects to pick from, or you can turn it all off to save battery. One little detail I love, the power button actually glows and the color changes depending on your performance mode. It's a small thing, but it's super useful. Connectivity, this thing is stacked. You've got dual USB-C ports with Thunderbolt 4 support. One on top, one on the bottom, making charging or docking a breeze. Want to hook up an eGPU? Go for it. It also has DisplayPort 1.4 microSD card slot, 3.5mm headphone jack Bluetooth support, and solid airflow to keep things cool with vents on top and back. Ready to level up your gaming? Don't miss the link in the description. And yes, it runs Windows 11 just like the ROG Ally and other modern handhelds, which means, yeah, sometimes you'll run into that classic Windows weirdness. Pop-ups, crashes, you name it. Annoying, right? But Lenovo tried to make it easier with their own app, Legion Space. It's a custom launcher that gives you a central hub for all your games. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, and if you're new here, you deserve the best, so hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications. Trust me, this will be one of your top 5 best decisions ever. Thanks for watching. Hope this review helped you make an informed choice. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace out.